Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a video today of the bag of the video in the video that you just saw, my last video. Yeah, I have been carrying around my Kipling Clara since the new year, I think. And I have loved it so much that I have not wanted to switch out of it. But when this came in yesterday, I didn't switch into it immediately, and I thought about it all day today. I was out and about running some errands, and I thought about it all day today. So I came home and I switched into my tote bag. So I'm gonna put the camera down and you guys can see how I have it packed up. So first you'll notice I do not have the big strap on here, but it's attached. I have it held, you know, for the most part, I will probably just carry it like this because I don't go anywhere where like I would need to be hands-free. Like if I'm hands-free, I generally have like a grocery cart I'm pushing or a shopping cart. So let's just be real. This is sitting in the front because I don't have little ones to take up the front part of the grocery cart. So, yeah, so I will probably just like grab this, put it in the front of the grocery cart and be hands-free. So on this side here, you will see I have my blue light blockers actually. I've been getting a lot of headaches lately. So, these are my blue light blockers and I just want these to be with me. So if I need to be on my phone or on a computer or in front of a screen, I can put these on. So that's that. So let's get into how I have this bag packed up. Can you see this? Yes. Okay. So on the zipper here, I have my pocket back with my almost empty hand sanitizer. So this is what she looks like, which I really love how essentially this lays flat against the walls. So if this is in my car, I can just leave this open and not have to grab anything. I mean, not have to worry about zippering and moving stuff around to grab stuff. So I do have the strap and I have it hooked to both of them to this side so that if I need it, I can just flip it over and attach it to this side. And on this side, I have my keys. So this thing is slam full because I've just been so busy with sports. I have 2 kids playing sports right now, so I'm dealing with football and basketball and yeah, the joys of, you know, running children around doing that. So I have my sprocket in this hard case. This is just my HP sprocket, prints pictures, 2 by 3 inch pictures. I got this. This is a Christmas gift from my husband. So he purchased this for me. And then in this section, I have the charging cable and I have 2 extra things of paper. And then I have a reusable hairbrush, reusable foldable hairbrush. I have my walking pharmacy, which is so I have migraine and anxiety medication in here, Tums, Pepto, ibuprofen, Pamprin, and children's Motrin. And then I have right here my little XOXO. I love this thing. It is so cute. And in here I have charging cords, pocket juice, and on this side I just have my little screwdriver and extra safety pin for my regular glasses, my blue light blocking glasses, or my sunglasses. And then speaking of sunglasses, I also have my cash envelopes, and this packet came with a calculator, and I actually really like using that over the one on my phone. I don't know if it's the old school in me where I like to push the buttons, but it brings me joy. I have this Soap and Glory Original Pink Body Spray. I love this stuff. Santa gave me this in my stocking and it smells amazing. And then I have an extra hand sanitizer. Am I the only one where I have like a million little half-used or mostly used, I guess, hand sanitizers? So my goal is to finish all the ones that I have up. Then I have my forehead stick, a pack of gum, my Keep Going med kit. This is an amazing first aid kit. I have used this many times already. It comes fully stocked with everything. You have finger splint or tongue depressor, thermometers, scissors, Q-tips. My husband calls these nose tampons, but they're for nosebleeds. There's like legit tweezers, like good quality, you guys. This isn't like, oh, I'm gonna use these and they're gonna break. Like, these are good quality tweezers. I was actually very surprised. You have that in there, and then you have antibiotic ointment, Band-Aids, sting relief pads, antiseptic towelettes, multiples of those, first aid burn cream, anti-itch cream, kids Band-Aids, non-aspirin, ibuprofen, multiple different finger Band-Aids, lip balm, two tick tools. And then in here you have moleskin, more Band-Aids, paper tape, little stickers so like I said, I've used this, little stickers, like little Band-Aids. I have an extra thing of Motrin in here. I have put in an Alka-Seltzer, the Motrin and the Alka-Seltzer, and the eye drops and the migraine medication are all additions that I've added, but you don't need to add them. I mean, if it's not something you need. Paper tape and some hand sanitizer. This has it all. There's gauze pads in here, everything. It's amazing. I love this thing. In here I have my Coach wallet. It has a zipper on the back. You have your card slots, 2 slip pockets on each side. It's so slim. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I got that for Christmas. That was a Christmas gift. I have my Kipling pouch in here with like everything. Face spray, lens spray, Tide to Go pen, lip gloss, knife, nail cuticle oil, deodorant. I mean, you name it, I got it. Teletie, measuring tape, extra chapsticks. I mean, I've got powder, everything. And then you have in these side pockets here, I have a Lysol. I have the Soap and Glory hand food. I love this. It smells just like the spray, delicious. Then I have this, You've Been Touched by Cupid. No, You've Been Struck by Cupid. Berry sherbet. It's like, look how big this chapstick is. And it's delicious. So I thought it would be really fun to use this because, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. And then I have my, I have a pen. I have a glass nail file, my flashlight. And then I have this UB pen, which has all these different colors. I don't know if it's like focusing or not, but it has like all these different colors and it's so fun. And then I have in the zip pocket here a bunch of crap. I have a mirror. I have a lottery ticket that I need to go cash in. I have my homeschooling information. I usually keep coupons and such in here. I made that with laminating paper. Oil absorbing feminine wipes, gift cards, tissues, gift card, and paper for in case my kids are with me, are bored, need to color, I need to jot something down for another mom or parent, or write down my phone number or my child's phone number for somebody else, like a friend or of theirs or something, if they don't have their phone with them. So yeah, that is everything that I am carrying. It's stupid. I don't even have snacks or anything in here. I did order a memo bottle. If you guys haven't looked it up, check out on Amazon the memo bottles. They're very thin. They're like wide and thin. They have a little screw top, but they're like way more convenient to carry around than a regular water bottle because it's flat. So it lays like it, you can fit it in your bag better. So yeah, that's everything that I have. It's so ridiculous now that I have it all out. But I mean, this is stuff that I've been using and been needing. So since I have, you know, the room for it in my bag, I might as well carry it that way. I know I have all the things in case I need them, which is pretty much never. No, I'm kidding. It's pretty much not like mandatory that I have all these things, but I'm an overpacker, a classic overpacker, which you guys all know that. And it brings me comfort knowing I have the things. I don't know if it's the Girl Scout in me. Guys, I'm still messed up from COVID. I don't know if it's the packer in me or what, but I like to have all the things that I need. Now, this is it's not like stupid huge. It's not like never full big, but it's a big bag. Like it's a big bag. I definitely can't carry it over my shoulder, but I can carry it on the crook of my arm if I need to, or like this. I'll show you. I don't think I did a mod shot in my last video, but I will show you how it looks crossbody, or not crossbody. Well, I guess I could do that too. I'll do it simple like this. So this is how it looks when you wear it over the shoulder, which is how I generally would wear it if I'm not carrying it tote style. But you can always adjust the strap and carry it crossbody. That's actually not bad. That's actually really not bad. I'm just not, I mean, I wear crossbodies, don't get me wrong, but if it's a bigger bag, I'm gonna probably just carry it over the shoulder, which this was like perfect length at its shortest to carry over the shoulder. So the Marc Jacobs one does have like another little metal attachment. So like I said, I wasn't going for a replica of Marc Jacobs. I just really liked the style of the bag. I thought it was very durable because of the material that it's made of. It's canvas, and it's a substantial canvas. Like this is a hardcore bag. Like I'm gonna be able to use and abuse this bag, and I'm not gonna have to worry about it falling apart. I will do a review for you guys in a couple months because I have a feeling I'm gonna be carrying this a lot. Maybe not as my regular bag, but as a companion bag, because like I said, I'm a mom of 4, I'm homeschooling, I homeschool all my kids, and if we want to go out for the day, or if we want to go to the park because it's so pretty outside, and they want to do some reading or science or something while, you know, one person's playing or while the two little ones, younger ones are playing, the older two can read, and then, you know, the older two can go play basketball and the other ones can read, and I can read and grade papers and lesson plan and all that stuff. I will be carrying this. So I will do an updated review on this in the next couple of months, probably. So it's end of January now. I'll probably do one maybe mid-April, because that'll give me a good couple of months of legit carrying this. Like I said, I might not carry it as a purse all the time, but I will be carrying it. And we do and all that kind of stuff. So museums, parks, any kind of outdoor activity is definitely right up our alley. So I appreciate you guys watching this. If you like this video, please, I would appreciate it if you gave me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and you will be notified every single time that I upload a video. And make sure you ding that bell so that you get every notification from me. And I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.